Hey guys, it's your bud Archermania. Thank you for the 200 subscribers. We will do the Q&A very soon. But before you watch our video, you must report this person, Lonely Coach, for stealing my video. Even if he gave credits, that doesn't matter because he didn't ask for my permission before he literally stole it. If you don't believe that he stole it, there's a video of the proof that he stole it. It's in the description, okay? So yeah, make him delete the video. This is where I need your help most. This is the silliest thing I've ever seen in all my life of living. Like, how dare you? Like, get your own ideas, don't try to steal mine. I mean, he literally downloaded my video and put edits on it. Why would he do that? Then he would say, I didn't know it was yours. Only my video looks like this. The things that I said in... Just watch the comparison video. That'll tell you everything. Well, with that being said, let's go watch Railway Series Adventures. Yay! Let's go. Hit it, maestro! Sir Topham had scolded the three spiteful engines severely. My engines do not tell lies and act lazy. They do whatever job they are asked to, without fuss. 98462 and 87546 looked ashamed, while 76624 was strangely smiling and looked very eager. This is your final chance. Don't disappoint me, or you will suffer the consequences. Sir Topham had left. 76624 was smirking to himself. I think he's going to choose me. After all, I'm way stronger and more reliable than you two. What are you talking about? Asked 98462. Yeah, what are you blubbering on about? Asked 87546. Didn't you hear? Sir Topham is going to choose one of us to be the NWR Express engine. Just one of us? Said the two engines, looking at each other shocked. Yes, he's only going to pick the best candidate, which is obviously me. How do we prove to him that all of us are great? A toxic smile came across 98462 and 87546's faces. I wonder, smirked 98462. 98462, 87546, and 76624 quietly left the sheds without another word. For the next few days, 98462, 87546, and 76624 were showing off who would be the best engine for the Express. They were going very fast and roughly. They didn't care if the passengers got injured or not. To them, it was just one big contest. You know what happens when three big arrogant engines get in a giant contest? Disaster. Oops. They were causing the silliest accidents, and they kept blaming it on silly misfortunes. Soon enough, Sir Topham had gathered all of the big engines to Knapford Station. As you all know, I am looking for a permanent express engine to run on this line. 98462, 87546, and 76624 all smirked. They thought Sir Topham had chosen them, while Gordon was confused and Eagle wasn't amused by the other engine's smugness. I'm proud to announce that the engine that will be given the title as the official Northwestern Railway Express engine will be 98462. Oh my, what an honor. I'm going to be completely honest and say it wasn't much of a shock. I mean, I am after all. Just kidding. Gordon, the big engine, our new engine. What? 98462, 87546, and 76624's faces fell when they heard the new name. Why, sir? Really, sir? Thank you, sir. But why, sir? Well, Gordon, you have displayed qualities that 3 other engines did not. But I won't name them. You were kind, you were careful, you were courageous. You didn't cause any trouble. You always put your passengers first rather than your ego. That's a quality that I want in my express engine. Why, thank you, sir, said Gordon. He was beaming from buffer to buffer. 98462, 87546, and 76624's faces were downcast. They didn't say another word for that entire evening. After the announcement, Eagle was the only one smirking. That will teach those smug engines to make fun of me and Gordon and the other engines, he chuckled to himself. With your new status comes a new color. You will be painted in our NWR liveries. We have green, red, and blue. Well, since you're already in green, would you like red or blue? Well, sir, I've always wanted to be blue. Then blue you shall be. Gordon was pushed to the works by a lone engine. He now pulls expresses normally, since he's the brand new express engine. He takes this new status to heart, and he's very proud of it. But let's just say, not all were pleased with his new status.